Hi, how you going? It's Mike here from Orchard Farm in New Zealand, and I'm just harvesting my no-dig potatoes that I grew under straw. So I'm just gonna, these have been really easy to do. Okay, and we just pull aside the straw. And there we go. Now the amazing thing about these, apart from the fact, look at them, they're clean, they're beautiful looking potatoes, these were not seed potatoes. These were simply store-bought potatoes that started to go a little bit I like. Look at that. In the bag. And so I just plonked them in the ground, covered them with straw, and walked away, literally. I haven't even watered this patch since I planted them. The straw has done all that, and we have got these beautiful potatoes, out of potatoes that otherwise you really wouldn't want to eat, couldn't eat. Okay. So if anyone tells you you can't do no big potatoes, they are full of caca. Hoodoo.